Obligated. Okay.
This is weird. Okay,
Yeah, get her here.
Okay, no, I don't think that.
The 10 years I've known you have been the best years of my life. When I first met you, I knew you were the most incredible person I'd ever met. But who could have... I've honestly never done this before. This is very unusual. But who could have predicted all those nights watching Dawson's Creek, drinking PBR, would lead to us moving halfway across the country to start a new life together. So, in the spirit of things, I'm told that I have to make some promises to you. I promise that you will never have another meal go unfinished. I promise that I will always hang your coat up when you throw it at me as you walk into the house. And I promise that when you complain about drivers going too slow, I'll always say, at least you won't get a speeding ticket. But most importantly, I promise you that I will always be by your side through thick and thin. You are my best friend. You have always supported me and given me the strength to take risks, put myself out there, and I promise to do the same. Moving forward, every risk you take will be our risk to take together. You are the best person I know, and every moment we spend together makes you just a little bit better.
Got it. Yeah. This is a lot of pressure.
Maddie, you're my very best friend. I'm so excited for our future together and proud to see how far we've come. It took us both a little while to admit that we really like each other, but I'm glad we finally did. And now we could use our stubbornness to stick together. On our first date, you walked me home, and my heart beat fast, kind of like now. I felt like something slammed into my chest.
Okay, it's coming.
After all these years, that feeling is still there when you look at me. Thank you for dragging me out of my comfort zone. Before you, I would have never willingly gone into grizzly bear country or explored haunted buildings. I was scared of ghosts, and I still am.
Yeah, do you like it?
Oh, beautiful. Yeah. Oh, turn it on. No. Yeah, oh, that's good.
My turn?
Yeah. Let's try turn this one.
But with you, anything seems possible. I can be braver because I know I am safe with you. I promise to follow you on your adventures wherever your heart takes us. And I promise that the road you take will be our journey to share. I adore your family and love how effortlessly you've become a part of mine. I promise to love you when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when our love is simple and when it is an effort. Everything in me recognizes Everything in me recognizes you as my home. I love you, and I will never give up on you. And when I wake up tomorrow, I will promise this all again.
Now, it is my great pleasure and joy to be the first one to introduce Matthew and Elizabeth as husband and wife.
Oh, oh! That's definitely that's a big dinosaur.
Babe.
Oh!
Hi.
Hey. I didn't even see you there.
You didn't? You thought it was a dinosaur?
I thought it was a dinosaur. Hey.